Hi everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness, where I make mainly healthy vegan recipes. So it's basically a what I eat in a day video. I know I'm really excited to jumpstart my fitness regime and just get back on track. I know throughout the holidays we eat a lot of junk food, and I know I'm not the only one who's just ready to get back to feeling like themselves, feeling clean and energetic. I know I am. I have been eating a lot of vegan junk food though, like cookies and cakes, chips, candy, but I'm ready to let fruits and vegetables back into my life. And you are what you eat. If you eat clean, you're gonna feel clean, you're gonna feel good, and that's how I wanna feel. So let's get into it. So for breakfast I had a green smoothie. I'm adding some unsweetened almond milk to a blender in this raw organic Garden of Life vanilla protein powder. I'm adding 1 scoop and some frozen kale. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of this super greens powder and also 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. I'm adding 1 frozen banana and some frozen pineapples, frozen mangoes, frozen peaches, which I all got from Trader Joe's. And I added just a tiny bit of frozen raspberries because I didn't want my smoothie to turn brown, so I just added a little bit. And I'm just adding some water as it blends just to thin it out a bit. And I had a toasted English muffin along with my smoothie. I know some people don't like bread when it comes to eating healthy and stuff, but there's always gluten-free bread and whole wheat bread, different types of bread out there. I was in the mood for it, so I'm just eating a regular English muffin with a little bit of vegan butter. And I like English muffins because it's not too much bread, it's not too fluffy, it's very thin. Later on, I had a sushi burrito. I'm adding some sea salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper to some sweet potatoes. And I'm going to bake these at 425 for about 20 minutes. And I just added a little bit of oil. And here I have a block of super firm tofu that I got from Trader Joe's, and I'm just cutting them into strips. And I'm adding some black pepper, some garlic powder, some umami seasoning, and some coconut aminos. And I'm just going to mix that through gently. And I have a little bit of panko breadcrumbs left, so I'm going to add it directly into the bag and just gently mix it up. And these are what they look like. I'm going to pop them into the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 390 degrees. And I'm slicing up half an avocado. And I'm just adding some jasmine rice onto a nori sheet, some spinach, some shredded carrots. I'm adding the sweet potato fries, the avocado, and the tofu. And I'm just drizzling a little bit of teriyaki sauce on top. This has to be the neatest sushi burrito I've ever made. It actually held together very well. Okay, so I'm actually going to wrap this video up pretty early. I thought it would be longer and that I would be making like 3 meals like I normally do, but yesterday I had some heavy food, so I'm really not that hungry today, especially because I was out running errands and I got home later in the evening anyway. Yeah, so I kind of had lunch around the time I would have dinner, so I had 2 of those sushi burritos as well, and they were so good, so good. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let your body cleanse naturally. You can't just eat like 3 meals a day like you normally would, or 6 small meals a day, because now you're just overloading your system and eating just because, and I don't want to do that. I also had some hummus and crackers earlier. I just didn't film it. But yeah, I got the hummus from Trader Joe's. The spicy hummus. So good. My room smells so good right now. I got one of these essential oil diffusers for Christmas. And I'm telling you, you need to get this if you don't have it already. And it comes with this essential oil kit. I'm using this one right now, Nirvana. And it tells you like what it does. So this one is Breathe Easy and has like a minty smell. This one's Lavender, Sweet Dreams, helps you go to sleep. Satori has like a spicy scent, it's so good. This one smells so fresh, like fresh laundry. This one smells exactly like flowers. It's called Zen. And it relieves anxiety. My camera's having a hard time focusing, so I'm just gonna put that away. But yeah, certain scents are for certain smells. Stress, relaxing the body, helping you sleep better, congestion. So I really recommend getting an essential oil diffuser. Because I like incense and stuff, but sometimes, depending on how good the incense are, they just end up smelling like smoke, and I don't like that. So this is just like a much more, better way of making your room smell good without having to light fire and stuff like that. And I love that it changes colors. Okay, well, that sums up today's video. I thank you so much for watching. Please consider commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.